Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're making apple pie. Now let's get started.
For this recipe, you'll be needing 4 apples. We used 3 Fuji apples and 1 Granny Smith apple. You'll also be needing frozen pie dough. You'll also be needing 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/8 cup of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half to 1 tablespoon of flour. You'll also need a tablespoon of butter and some water.
Now let's get started.
Peel your apples. You don't have to take off all of the peel, but most of it.
Now that you have peeled your apples, chop them into 1/4 inch chunks.
We like our chunks smaller, so we chop them smaller. If you like them bigger, chop them bigger. If you like them smaller, chop them smaller. In a pan, melt your butter. Once your butter is melted, add your apple chunks. Now add all of your sugars, your vanilla extract, cinnamon, and nutmeg. We just eyeballed the measurements. Now mix it all up until your apples are evenly coated with cinnamon, nutmeg, butter, and sugar. This is how it should look after you're done mixing. Now put it on the stove at medium heat until it turns brown. Now add your flour so it thickens up. Now roll out one of your defrosted pie shells and put them at the bottom of your pie pan. Bake it at 400 degrees for 4 minutes, just until it's a little cooked. This is how it should look. Now add your filling. Spread it evenly until it reaches all the sides. Put your second defrosted pie shell on top. Now push your 2 pie shells together so none of the filling comes out. This is how it should look. The inside edges should have like your little fingerprints on them. Now you can make a design on the edges. I just did a twist design. You can do a design where you use a fork and just push it down. For the twist design, just kind of roll your pie shell over each other at the end and it becomes like a twist. Now cut 4 slits in the middle, just like this. Now you can sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top of your pie. Bake your pie at 400 degrees for 20 to 23 minutes. Check your pie in between just to make sure it's not burning. This is how it should turn out. You can eat it with ice cream or just plain. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe for more videos. See you next time.